Look at Larry. He's like a clown. What's that around your collar? What's that thing? Larry! That little thing of cardboard came with the set of plates my fiance bought. Oh, look at that. That's pretty smart. Now it's in the middle of them. Look at that. What are you going to do about it now, huh, Larry? That's the internet's kitten. That's the world's kitten. That's the world's cat. What's that? What do you got around your waist? You look like you have a slimming waist accent. Is that fashion? Are you a high fashion kitty kitty? Meow. Yeah. He loves his kitten. Eee. 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 This is for you people with a foot fetish and a kitten fetish. Eee. Foot and kitten, they don't get better than that, huh? And people like their toes being licked by cats. Look at that. He's getting big. The cat's only about 6 months old. But it's almost coming off. Look at that. He's Houdini. He's Houdini. He got it off. Look at you. Houdini. You saw it, folks. Larry Houdini. 3 minutes of love. Like, subscribe.